Let me start with the International Conference Center. You saw it yourself. I want to commend Julius Berger for the quality job that's been done at the International Conference Center. In fact, I was so happy, I was so elated that I can say that that is what Abuja deserves. And that is why Nigeria should appreciate that all this has to do about leadership. When Mr. President inaugurated ECOWAS Parliament sometimes late last year, it was terrible. No right-thinking leader would allow that to be called an international conference center. And Mr. President directed that everything must be done to put that to such a position that Nigerians will be happy. That's called leadership. That place was built in 1991. Nobody has, tried to give a facelift. Today is not a facelift. Today is like it really is an international conference center. What it's supposed to be. You remember last year when Mr. President visited China, we were opportune to be part of that visit. And part of the agreement we signed was provision of water to satellite, to some of the satellite towns. And as I speak to you, Mr. President has also included part of the funding in the national budget, which has been passed. And we have also included it in our statutory budget, which has been laid before the National Assembly. We believe by next week we'll be invited for defense. That is a critical project for Mr. President. He has said that, look, yes, like I said, part of our inauguration this second year is the Abuja city water supply. Part of it will be done along the airport road. But having done that, what about the satellite towns? And Mr. President said, look, we must also provide water within the satellite towns. So they are starting with Buhari, Kauru, and part of Kubwa. And it is now with the Bureau of Procurement. The procurement is going on, and the company that's doing it will be CGC, which, because they are the one doing the greater Abuja water supply. So things are moving on well to the glory of God. But all this is also because we have a backup, we have a very, very strong support from Mr. President. So be assured that things are going on well. There are also projects that are ongoing in the health sector. So when they say projects, it does not mean only road projects. So education, health is part of the ongoing project, particularly in education. If you see the number of schools that are being renovated, we think from that budget, education has not less than 100 to 140 billion naira in terms of capital project. So they're all ongoing projects. People should not think that ongoing projects only road infrastructure. No. We have a lot of health facilities that we have started, and then we have to budget for them to be completed.